Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best adult skateboards that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. RipStik Ripster Caster Board. The skateboard for adults which we are discussing now comes in 2 different colors. It consists of high-tech polymer material. It consists of a removable deck plate which is unique. The concave design means that you can flip it quite quickly. It is slip-resistant and provides high grip. When you look at the material of the wheels, it consists of urethane materials. With the help of a rubber padded bar, you can be sure that there is no pushing. Hence, when you're looking for a board which can perform tricks and which is easy to use, you can certainly consider this option. At number 4. ENKEEO 22-inch Cruiser Skateboard. The 22 inches skateboard which we are discussing now can support up to 220 pounds. It is perfect for adults. You can choose between 6 different design options. It is entirely pre-assembled. You can use it right out of the box. It is 6 inches wide. The sturdy deck allows you to use it for various tricks. It consists of a polypropylene material which not only provides it with strength but also bendability. It is highly stable which means that you can learn the tricks quite easily. With the help of casters, you can move around the board as per your requirement. They are heavy-duty and can last for an extended period. Thus, when you're looking for a conventional board, you can consider this option. At number 3. Roller Derby Deluxe Series. Designed to create the same fluid motion of riding a surfboard in the water, using special carving motion trucks. Great for those who surf, snowboard, wakeboard, and longboard. Carve and slide through turns, and enjoy the ride anywhere you go. The Roller Derby Deluxe No. 20, circa 1962, was one of the first mass-produced skateboards. Now it's back and better than ever before, thanks to all the latest technology. This type of board is great for cruising sidewalks and boardwalks, and exploring your world. The Roller Derby Street Series Complete Skateboards are versatile boards you can do classic moves with. Ollie and kickflip are tricks to try on these street boards. This board can zoom around sidewalks and skate parks and take you where you want to go. At number 2. Awaken 8-inch Complete Skateboard. This board is decked out with high-resilience POO wheels, 52 mm, 99A, 95A high-rebound POO bushings, and ABEC7 precision bearings for a super smooth experience. A perfect balance of speed and control. Awesome designs. Rock the most simplistic yet fashionable designs. Top-notch thermal transfer printing process of our geometric designs ensures long-lasting durability and eye-catching pop. Great quality. Designed for all age groups and skill levels. The asymmetric concave surface of the board combined with professional-grade grip tape provides the most user-friendly experience. You can free great cruising or rocking them tricks. The board is made of ultra-durable 7-layer Canadian maplewood bounded by advanced adhesives giving it incredible stability and pop. The deck is suitable for riders of all ages and up to 220 pounds. Finally at number 1. KPC Pro Skateboard Complete. The design options available in this skateboard are 13. It comprises of Canadian maple. Canadian maple makes it sturdy and durable. The width of 7.75 inches makes it suitable for adults. The wheels are white and are 52mm. The 52mm wheels provide you with a proper grip. The aluminum trucks make sure that you don't need to worry about the wear and tear at all. The skateboards are pre-assembled which allows you to use it right away. The advantage of this skateboard is that it is suitable for skate parks as well as for street skateboarding. You have to avoid the big cracks, and you are good to go. Thus, when you're looking for a versatile skateboard, you can consider this option. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.